since I'm recording, unless you want your voice recorded, if we kind of can work independently while I could just work on that, write down your answers, and I'll be getting, as soon as I'm done with this, we'll go to that. Track coach recording in minutes and seconds. And you indicated it was the interval scale of measurement because the stopwatch starts with 0, and 0 is a starting point. The second one, teacher's looking at who goes to the science fair, orders the students, with 1 representing the best to the second best. So the word orders is a big hint that that is the ordinal scale of measurement. Now let's talk about what measurement GPA is. First, let's think about whether GPA is continuous or not. So if we think of GPA in whole numbers, we do see that GPA is continuous because the difference between a 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 2 is 1, 2 and 3 is 1. So there is equal spaces between the different GPAs. We can say 4 is twice as high as 2. So we know it's continuous, and there's 2 that are continuous, and the 2 that are continuous are interval and ratio. And we have to decide whether this interval or ratio. So we have to determine whether that's an absolute 0 or not. So we would want to know, is a 0 GPA represent absence of GPA, or does that 0 actually represent someone's GPA? In this case, 0 does represent an actual GPA, so it is interval. If a student has a GPA of 0, it would mean that they've earned all Fs. It would mean absence of GPA. And the last is assigning group numbers. Group 1 prefers sports, 2 prefers art, and 3 prefers computer green. So we would say that is the nominal scale of measurement, because we are simply categorizing the groups with numbers. Now what I want you to pull up and work on is under modules. Under module 4, scales of measurement handout. You will read the scale of measurement handout and then answer the questions in the handout. Give you about 5 minutes to do so. You can stop recording.